Yes, now bless now, people. There's ROCKSTEADY, King of the Pit TV, signing in. We're listening to Cynic tonight with their album Focus from 1993. It was recommended on the Patreon by my friend Ray. Cynic isn't to be confused with Optimist, okay? This is track number 3, The Eagle Nature. Lego. Nice brief one at 3 minutes 28, this one. Shortest on the record. There's a related video 3 years ago, DW History and Culture, entitled Why Metalheads Are Happier People. If metalheads set a standard of what happiness is, we're all fucked. Because I had to think about that when I saw that title, and I thought, I guess someone's smoking a biff, they're outside. Oh, I ain't smoked out in a minute, but I could have a couple of tokes right now, to be honest. Bruh, your general populace is depressed and bored and mundane and just brain dead as fuck. And I take that as a projection of oneself. Maybe I'm just putting myself out there as that individual, but I can see why a metalhead who isn't attached to the systemic path, the systemic manipulation of wanting more and more and more and more and more and being someone they'll never be. Your general metalhead who doesn't necessarily want that but just wants to enjoy going to events and, you know, not necessarily participating to a heavy degree within society and just enjoys what he enjoys and consumes what he consumes, which is a little external to the mainstream. I can see why they would be happy generally, but still, like, metalheads being like happy people is crazy. Happier though, yes, but it's so dystopian. It's not much different to what I experienced when I downloaded this offline, where obviously the volume was way down, so it was hard to listen to, but the production on this record isn't very good. It isn't very good. For such an overtly technical band, you want to hear every pop and every pinch of, you really want a punctuated sound. You don't really want to leave it space for it to be a bit airy-fairy. The production value is not very good on this record. That sounds nice though. A little more audacity to that guitar. Lovely sound this, eh? Wow. Sounds like bubbles coming to the surface. That. What is that? The bass? Bum 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 bum. What is that? The guitar? Because we've got the bass frequency underlining that. Wow, that was fantastic. Wow. Wowee. That was superb. It gives me chills. Like, I don't get this feeling much. It literally gives me chills. This is a really great section. What a fantastic sound. Wow. The tone of whatever I'm hearing, the guitar line there. Superb. Superb. Wow. Wow. Really fantastic outro there. End section. Absolutely pristine. We've got Sentiment coming up next, yeah?